What's going on YouTube? Here's how I made $1,079 trading the Nasdaq this morning on this short position right here. I'll give you guys a top down analysis and break down this trade. So market opened at around 9:30 as usual, right around here, 9:30. We were rallying up from Asia and from London. I have this 1 minute bullish FEG right here, and I have this 5 minute bullish FEG around here. There's a couple PD arrays around here, but I'll break down to you guys as I go. First things first, I was really bearish for the day, considering the fact that number one, we are very overbought, right? We're very bullish, overbought, and it is Friday. I know Friday tends to be we either fucking go crazy rally or we dump crazy. So one of the reasons why I was also bearish was because first things first, I really did want to see a liquidity sweep. I wanted to see this London's highs get swept or previous days highs get swept before I enter on a short reversal. Today I did not get that quite. Instead, I targeted liquidity. So you guys can see around here. I didn't get the sweep before we reverse this sweep I was looking for, which was London's highs. I simply targeted London's lows instead, collectively flowing with price. But if we go back to the 4 hour time frame, here you will see that we were inside a 4 hour bearish fair value gap and we were respecting it right around here. There's a gap between this candle and this candle. Here we were respecting this bearish PD array. So I said, okay, if we do not sweep this high or this high, and we simply respect this bearish PD array, that's already a confluence in order to go short. Besides, once you understand liquidity, you don't need this sweep if you understand where price is headed, and you can target this liquidity instead, being London's low right here. Okay. So if we fail to break these high, sweep these high, I'm sorry, or we fail to sweep this high, I'm gonna target this one, this low right here. And that's pretty much what I did. I'm going to erase this because you guys already know that we were inside a 4 hour bearish for value gap, and I'm going to zoom in into the 1 minute time frame where I took this trade. Initially, when market opening, I took this trade with one contract, small risk, simply because once again, we failed to sweep these high. We had a nice displacement to the downside, nice change in the state of delivery around here. And we also closed on the 1 minute underneath a 5 minute bullish for value gap right around here. See, in the 1 minute we had inverses, but on the 5 minute you can see that we simply wicked it and continue pushing further up. When I got stopped out around here, I I anticipated the same buy as I had here, right? Once we close underneath this 5 minute bullish PD array, I was hoping we could sweep this low and targeted these low same as here, but that's not what happened. When I got stopped out here, I once again said, okay, I'm gonna wait for us to sweep these high. That way we reverse. We came all the way up here. We were literally points away from sweeping it. But once again, Fridays are fucking crazy because price once again did not give me the liquidity sweep. Instead, created a bearish SMT right around here. Created a bearish SMT at the highs and dumped from here. Okay, started displacing down. I still did not want to enter around here. I wanted to see a nice change in the state of delivery, even though I mean I did get the change in the state of delivery here. But what really truly set the confluence was once again we closed underneath this 5 minute bullish PD array. And on the 5 minute this time we actually closed underneath it on a little bit of a higher time frame in comparison from the 1 to the 5. So we inversed this 5 minute. Okay, we have a nice change in the state of delivery. Created another 1 minute bearish fair value gap. My entry was truly was after we already broke because I felt like I already missed this entry right here, this 1 minute entry. So I still trusted it. I still knew that we had room a lot. It was a good risk to reward either way because London's lows were 80 points away. So I entered at this displacement down. Notice that we created another 1 minute bearish fair value gap on here, right? Tapped it, respected it, and just let the runner run. Let this trade run, and I caught 81 points, making $1,079 across two combines. Once again, the express is untouched. Okay, I operated on combines today because Fridays are not my days. Okay, I think Fridays are still low probability. Shit, today was not low probability, but it's still all probabilities. Okay, today I was simply on the right side of the market. Just because I win trades, that does not make me better than the market. I'm still humble. I know that at any given time, the market can simply whack me the fuck out. All right. That's literally what happens. So you must remain humble. You must follow your edge. You must follow your risk management rules and just operate like a fucking robot, like a profitable trader. You want to carry profitable behaviors. Same way I request payouts on the expresses. I want to take good trades on the combine as well. Okay. I don't full port combines or any of that. Here I went in with one contract. Here I was tempted to add. That way I didn't, need to catch that many points and risk price reversing on me and having bad PA. But I nevertheless did not increase size as I lost. I knew I had previously lost around here, so I simply went in with one contract again and just simply secured more points. But today was truly a beautiful trade. Held it perfectly. I took another video of the trade recap where I will post it as well. And yeah, this is what happened today, boys. No liquidity reversal, SMT at the highs. Objectively flew collectively with the group in the exchange, right? Simply reacted to price. You want to trade not what you want to see, but you want to trade what price is showing you, okay? And this is what price was showing me. We never swept these highs, but we still reversed. Also being inside a 4 hour bearish for value gap right around here, okay? This for value gap on the 4 hour also gave me confluence to short, even though we never got the sweep of these highs. Okay. So this was my confluence, high time frame PDRA. Now price looks like it wants to fucking sweep yesterday's previous day's lows. And after we sweep that, we could very much reverse, which would be a good trade. But I'm obviously done for the days, guys. I'm not into over trading. I'm already up. This combine is just a couple hundreds away from funding it, and I'm back to 100K funded. So good day, boys. Good trade. 80 points at the start of the morning. We'll keep going, and I'll keep updating you guys with my trades. Let's fucking go, man. What's going on, you guys? Juan here speaking. Here I am in a short position with one contract on a combine. Fridays fucking get on my nerves. Not the best price action, but nevertheless, we are in a short position. We're targeting these London's lows. We have London's highs over here. Price failed to sweep these highs, but I am objectively trading with price. I am reacting to price. If we don't want to sweep these highs, I am going to collectively flow with the group in the exchange. We are also respecting a 4 hour bearish fair value gap around here. You can't see it, but it's right here in these two candlestick, this gap. It's a 4 hour bearish PD array that's been getting respected, and yeah, I want to see this continue pushing further down and sweep these lows. I initially had taken a trade because we had inversed a 5 minute bullish for value gap over here, close to the opening, right around here, but never got a strong close and continue going up. Then I was gonna wait for the sweep in order to reverse. Once again, price never wanted to sweep those highs, and now we're here in this trade. Once price inverse this 1 minute bullish for value gap, I will trail my stop and let the runner run pretty much. I'm typically a 1-on-1, but I don't wish to size today, so I want to see some nice delivery and just trust the algorithm that we will sweep those lows down here. If we fail to sweep these highs around here, chances are we won't fail to sweep these lows, especially when we are overbought. I believe we're overbought, and I was bearish for the day, so we will see. Right now, I'm not panicking over some reactions over here. If I get stopped to break even, it's already a risk free trade, but this is a bullish PD array, so price is pretty much reacting to it. Once I see these get inverse, I will trail my stop once again and leave runners run. I want to see some nice displacement to the downside here. I want to see that bullish rally up get ran through. Right now we're at the consequent encroachment of it, just teasing it, and just like that, ran through, boys. Gonna trail to the consequent encroachment of now. I'll trail to this high right here. So if we get stopped out, we get stopped out in profit. Some nice displacement to the downside right now we're getting. Here I'm gonna trail stop to this high and getting edged right now.
Order filled.
And that's where we're at, boys. $1,000 on the combine, 81 points to the downside. Let's go. Copy traded across this and this, so we're up as fuck. The Express didn't get touched today. Waiting for a payout from that account, and we just secured 81 points to the downside, boys. Let's go. Good day, good trade. That's a wrap for Friday, boys. See you guys in the next video.